This is Tim from Eurosix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and pair a Bluetooth headset to your iPad. So I have my Xbox headset right here, and on my iPad all I want to do is go down to settings, tap this, go to Bluetooth, make sure this is turned on, and it's automatically searching for devices. So all we have to do is put my headset into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you have to figure that out. There could be a dedicated Bluetooth button you have to press down. On this headset, all I have to do is turn it on and just hold it down, I believe. And usually if the light is blinking, that's an indication it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can see it pop up right here. We can just tap it now, and it should connect. So you can see Xbox wireless headsets on here. We can tap this right here, and we can forget the device. And then we can bring it to another device a little bit easier. So that's pretty much it. Go to Bluetooth and then put it into the sync mode and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.